The iPad mini series has been a beloved line of compact, powerful tablets for those who prioritize portability without compromising on performance. In this video, we'll dive deep into the key differences between the newly released iPad mini 7 2024 and its predecessor, the iPad mini 6 2021. The iPad mini 7 carries forward Apple's signature sleek and premium look, but with a few notable tweaks, discussing the size and weight differences, color options, and build materials. Is the iPad mini 7 thinner or lighter compared to the iPad mini 6? The iPad mini 6 features the A15 Bionic chip, which was incredibly powerful in 2021. However, the iPad mini 7 steps things up with the latest A17 Bionic, or M2, depending on Apple's direction in 2024. With more RAM in the iPad mini 7, users can expect enhanced multitasking performance. Let's compare how each model handles heavy workflows, such as editing 4K videos, running multiple apps simultaneously, or gaming at high settings. Apple increased the base storage in the iPad mini 7, or are we still looking at 64 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes options? Battery life is always a crucial factor. We'll compare how long each model lasts under different use scenarios like media consumption, productivity, and gaming. Does the iPad mini 7 charge faster? While the iPad mini isn't necessarily a photographer's first choice, the camera system is still crucial for video calls and content creation. Does the iPad mini 7 feature an improved sensor or image processing capabilities? The iPad mini 6 introduced Center Stage, a feature that keeps you in the frame during video calls. Has Apple enhanced this feature in the iPad mini 7? Are there noticeable differences in speaker performance, volume, or audio clarity between the two models? We'll compare the sound quality for media consumption, such as watching movies or listening to music. The iPad mini 7 comes preloaded with iPadOS 18, which introduces several new features and optimizations. We'll discuss how the iPad mini 7's hardware works in tandem with iPadOS 18 to provide a more fluid and responsive experience compared to the iPad mini 6 running iPadOS 17. Stage Manager has evolved, offering a new level of multitasking on the iPad mini 7. Does the improved chip in the iPad mini 7 handle multitasking better than the iPad mini 6? Is the iPad mini 7 worth the potential price increase over the iPad mini 6? We'll break down the price points of both models and discuss who should consider upgrading and who might be fine sticking with the iPad mini 6. After reviewing the design, performance, cameras, software, and overall user experience, we'll summarize which model is best for specific users. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, we'll help you make the best decision.